Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'll be reviewing AI Sales Converter, which is a software that lets you sell to your customers exactly what they need. Now, what does this mean? This software is going to ask your customers questions, and based on their questions, it's going to suggest specific products to that customer. Now, you can use this for way more options. You can also use this to build your list. So you can ask questions and then you can give away a product based on their answers. You can use this to book phone calls, way more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full review, but in case you're interested, check out the link in the description. It will redirect you to my website where you can find all the information about the pricing, also some coupons if they're available, what more, bonuses if you need them. So it's all on that page. Make sure to check it out. For now, let's dive into it and let me show you how AI Sales Converter works. So right now I'm logged into the dashboard, and as you can see here, you can see all your recent campaigns with the statistics here of those campaigns. But to get started, we go to the campaign section in here where you can create 3 different types of campaigns. So to get started here, click on Create New. You give your campaign a name. So let's say we're going to do my best 4 products. So I fill that out in here. I'm going to click Continue. So from here, you can choose between 3 different types of campaigns. So the first one here is the lead generation. So you can build your list by giving away something based on what they need. The second one, which I personally love, is to sell products and services. And the third one is to book qualified leads. But let me first show you the sell products and services. So I'm going to click Continue. And on the next screen here, you can fill out your product. So this is one product in here. So what you can do here is you can enter your name of the product. So let's say we go to my website and I want to sell those 4 products. So the first one is Speedbot AI. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste that in here. So in the next screen, redirect URL, I'm going to paste my affiliate link of Speedbot. Now, if you do not have an affiliate link and you want to sell your own products, you're going to fill out the sales page in here. In this case, I'm an affiliate, so I want to make sales as an affiliate. So I'm going to redirect them to this URL, which will redirect them to the sales page. In the website URL, you're going to fill out the original sales page of the product that you want to sell. So in this case, that's Speedbot. So I'm going to grab the URL in here of Speedbot, and I'm going to fill that out in here. Now, when I click this magic button, look what happens. It's going to grab the information here from the sales page so that AI Sales Converter understands what this product is all about. Now then, additionally, you can show testimonials at the end of the survey. Now, let's say you have Facebook testimonials, you can upload them in here. So let me do that quickly. So I filled out all the information now. The first one is Speedbot. The second product here is GPT apps. And the third product here is AI Fluencer with all the descriptions here. And if you want, you can also manually add the description if you like. But as you can see here, I've created 3 products. So now you can save and continue to the next step. So in the next step here, AI Sales Converter will generate questions automatically. This is done by AI based on your product description. So it analyzes your descriptions and then it's going to create these questions. So what type of income are you looking for? Passive income, both? Active income, not sure. How much time can you invest this week? What is your comfort level with technology? Are you interested in creating your own product or service? What's your primary goal? To save time, to increase sales, etc. Now, let's say you're not satisfied with the results here. You can say regenerate questions. And now it will regenerate new questions for you. And once that is done, it will refresh the screen and there you go. Now it has different questions. So what type of product are you looking for? AI-driven marketing solutions, virtual brand ambassadors, customizable AI apps. And here you can see the new questions. Now there is a downside to this product, and that is that you cannot generate your own questions. So it's a plus and it's a minus in my opinion. The plus is it does all the work for you. I mean, I've had similar programs in the past where you have to do everything manually. This one does everything with AI. That's the plus. The minus is that you cannot modify these questions. So be aware of that. But it is real quick, as you can see. You don't have to do all of this yourself. You don't have to fill out all these questions, come up with the answers, etc. So I think that's pretty cool. That's a big plus to me because it saves a lot of time. Next step is save and continue here. And then you can choose your design. So there are two things. You have a widget here. Then you can embed your website. That's a chatbot on your website. Or you can have a page theme where you redirect people to a page. So here you can choose the widget. You can choose the style. So let's say you like this green one. You can select this one. Or if you like to modify this, you can customize the theme here, where you can change the colors in here, the font family. You can change the welcome message. You can change the button text. So instead of click here, you can say click here for help. You can upload your button icon here, button background color. So you can modify all these things. And here you can choose your avatar. So in this case, this is Hank, but let's say you want to have Mike. You simply select Mike, and now Mike will be your avatar. Now, personally, I would not want to have these avatars on my website. That's a personal choice. So I've reached out to the creator of this platform and I said, hey man, you really need to add the option to upload my own picture in here. And they promised to implement that right away. So when you've purchased this product, that feature is in here, but unfortunately I cannot show it right now, but they made the changes because I requested it. So that's cool. I would choose my own picture here, but if you like to have an AI picture, that you can do that as well. The next thing is opt-in form. So if you like to grab their email address before you redirect them to your product, you can do that as well. You can do that before showing the products at the end of the questionnaire, or you can say at the beginning of the questionnaire. I personally would do it at the end because people have filled out questions and then they're more willing to fill out their email address. You can connect your autoresponder in here. I'm going to show you the connections later, the integrations, and also your list to put the leads on. In this case, I'm going to press continue. And then in the next step here, you have everything that you need. So here is your share link. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to open this in a new page. And there you go. Here is the campaign that we create. So here it says, hello, I'm Mike, and I'm here to help you find the best products based on your requirements. So I'm going to click on get started. So what type of product are you looking to create? An AI-driven marketing solution, customizable AI apps, or a virtual brand ambassador? So I'm going to say AI-driven marketing solutions. Question 2, how much time are you willing to invest daily? Let's say 30 minutes to an hour. And let's fill out the other questions quickly here that we just created. And now at the end, it's going to ask for the name and email. Remember? So I'm going to do Michael here and email. And now I'm going to click on submit here. And now it's saying getting the best match for you. And then it says GPT apps is the product which is best fit for you. Click the button below to access the product. So here, this is my affiliate link. Remember that I've put into the field. So when they click this button, it will redirect them to the sales page of this specific product with my affiliate link. This could also be your own sales page without the affiliate link. And then, hooray, you got a coupon code too. And then GPT20, they can copy this code and use that on the checkout. And when you click on view testimonials, you can also see the testimonials that I've uploaded when I created this campaign. So keep in mind that you need to upload screenshots where you cannot fill out text. You need to upload the testimonials in the screenshots. And this way, you give the visitor exactly what they're looking for. So it analyzes the answers of the visitor and then it suggests the right product for that customer. So that is the first option, how you can show a campaign to a visitor. Now, another option here, instead of having a share link, is to grab the embed code here, to copy this code and to add this to your website. So I've done that on this page here, because here you can now see this chat button here on the website. When I click on this button, it says, hello, I'm Mike, and I'm help you to find the best product based on your requirements. So here I can do exactly the same, but now based on a chatbot on my website. So when I click on get started here, it says, hello, answer a few questions and you'll get the best match possible. What type of product are you looking for? So AI-driven marketing solutions, customizable AI apps, or virtual brand ambassadors. So let's say I'm going to choose the third one, and then it's going to say, okay, how much time. Let's say I have more than an hour a day. And okay, next question. I see that you've chosen more than 1 hour. That's interesting choice, and it aligns well with your goals. What's your primary goal? So let's say I want to generate an income. So I'm just filling out these questions through this chatbot and say, okay, I have experience under $50 here. I can fill out my name. I also can disable this, and I'm going to fill this out like this here. Okay, and I'm going to click submit. And now it's going to say getting the perfect match for you. And there you go. Hey, AI Influencer is the best product, which is the best fit for you. Click the link below to access the product. So here you can access the product, and we know this will be perfect for you. Click here to see what others say about this. So when I click this, it will show the testimonials like we just saw. And when I click this button here, they will be redirected to my affiliate link to the sales page. And hooray, you got a coupon too. They can copy this coupon. And this chatbot is doing exactly the same, but now it's a chatbot on my website. So that is the first way how you can do this. Like you can show it on a page and you can show it as a chatbot on your website. Now this is the first campaign, but you can also create a lead generation campaign by give away an ebook, for example, based on their needs, or you can use it to book calls so that you can see if leads are qualified. So let me show you that as well. So here at the left side, we go to campaigns here, and to create a campaign, I already did this to save time. I'm going to do qualified calls here. I'm going to open this campaign. So what I've done here, I've added 3 mentoring programs. So the first is the 7-figure class. The second is the Success Accelerator. And the third one is the Growth Strategy Lab. So what I've done with all 3, I said here, welcome to the 7-figure class, which is a comprehensive training program. And I filled out the information here about the 7-figure class, what this is all about. The same thing I've done for the Success Accelerator here. I filled out the information about this platform, about this coaching program, and the same thing for the Growth Strategy Lab. So I'm going to click save and continue here. And then again, it's going to create questions to qualify those leads. So look at this. What's your primary goal for enhancing your marketing skills? And to achieve a 7-figure income, to accelerate my marketing mastery, etc. So here it creates the questions based on the information. Now, look at this. What is your budget for a marketing mentorship program? So you can see here 500, 2,000 or 1,000. And it grabs this information from the information that I filled out. So for each program, I did for the first program was 2,000, the second program was 1,000, and the third program was $500. So as you can see, the AI grabs the information from that description and it's going to ask this important questions so you know if a lead is qualified or not. So I'm going to click save and continue. And again, for the rest here, you have exactly the same as the other campaign. So let's go to the share and embed, and let's take a look at this campaign. There you go. And here it says, hey, I'm Hank. I'll help you to find the best service. So this could be the best mentoring program, the best coaching program based on your requirements. You can change this. And again, you can also upload your own photo here. So let's say I want to have a 7-figure income or accelerate my marketing mastery. Here, boom, very important, somewhat important. Okay, I have $500 to spend here. And let's say this. I'm going to fill out the information and my email address here, and I'm going to click submit. And now it's going to say here, thanks for taking the time to complete the survey. Your responses will help us to prepare for the call. Click the button below to choose a preferred date and time slot for scheduling a call with us. So in the fields here of this first step, you have filled out your Calendly meeting URL. So instead of a product page URL, you filled out your Calendly or your scheduling software. You've put that in here so that when they click here, they will be redirected to create an appointment, to schedule an appointment. And they also have a coupon if you fill that out that they can mention during the call. Now, the cool thing is when you go back to your dashboard here and you go to your leads here and you go to the campaign here, you can see here when I go to qualified calls, it's going to show all the answers of the people. So when I click on here, let's say Gary, the one that we just filled out here, and I can see, okay, Gary has $500 to spend. So let's say you only have programs over $2,000. You can also say, okay, this person is not qualified. We're not going to put a lot of attention to this person. So in this part here, let me open this. In the leads, you can select the campaign. So you can also say, okay, I want to see the 4 best products in here. What have they filled out? Okay, Michael here has filled out these questions here. So you can analyze as well what people have filled out in the surveys here, in the questions. And that is the second type of campaign where you can qualify leads before you're gonna call them. All right, last one here, when we go to campaigns here, is the lead generation guide. Now, I already done that here with Best Dog Guide. And basically what you can do here is you can give away products, so like ebooks about a specific subject. Now, you can qualify them to send them the best ebook here by adding your products. So in this case, I'm gonna do here the Best Dog Guide, and I have a puppy playbook, and I have a basic commands, and I have a fun training games. And again, I've added all the descriptions of this ebook in here, of this ebook here. In this case, it's the ebook, but you can give away anything you like here. So basically, I've done the descriptions of those 3, and in the product URL, you need to add your delivery URL. So you need to be aware that you need to upload your own product somewhere so you can redirect them to a download. This can be in Google Drive, this can be on your website, wherever you have your product that you want to give away, you need to specify that URL in here. And again, you're going to click Save and Continue, and then it's going to create the questions based on the information that you've provided. So what is your primary goal for your puppy? What level of experience do you have with dog training, etc., etc. The next steps are all the same, like the widget creation, the page that you can design here. And then on step 4, you can preview your campaign and have your embed code to embed this on your website. So let's take a look at this campaign. So here you have this campaign. Hello, I'm Mary and I help you find the best guide to train your puppy. So I'm going to click Get Started. What is the primary goal for your puppy? Training them to be well behaved, for example. And what experience do you have? I have some experience. What type of training do you find most appealing? Engaging games or maybe socialization techniques. And then how important is bonding time with your dog during the training? Not very important. And I want to have fun and playful. And I can fill out my name, Emma, and emma@gmail.com. And I'm going to click Submit. And here is your free puppy playbook. So based on the answers, it's going to suggest the best ebook, and they can click here to download that ebook. And this is the third campaign that you can create. So we have 3 campaigns. The first campaign is where you can have your products, where you sell your products, where you suggest the best product based on their needs. The second campaign is the book calling, where you qualify leads up front. And the third one is where you give away something to build your list. And that's basically what this product is all about. Let me check for a few more options if I missed some things in here that is important. So the integration or the leads, I already showed you that to show the outcome of the leads. We have the integrations. That's something that I can show you. One thing, important thing, is the open API key. So you need to fill out your own OpenAI key in order to use AI Sales Converter. I think personally, always I love things to have an OpenAI key so that you can maintain yourself. The costs are so very low to generate these reports. While if the vendor, the creator, has to pay for all these AI options, it's much harder to maintain your product. Now we just spent a few bucks ourselves, maybe $2 on this AI part. And you know, it's easier for the creator to maintain this app. So you need to fill this out, super easy to do. Autoresponders here. So you have these autoresponders that can be connected so that you can shoot your leads into these autoresponders. And then finally, there is training inside the app as well. So here are training videos on how to work with the products. And that's basically what AI Sales Converter is all about. Again, if you're interested, check out the link in the description for more information about the pricing, about the funnel details, upgrades, bonus that you're going to get. If there are coupons, I'm going to add them to my page as well. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you haven't done yet, please hit a thumbs up. This helps me to rank my videos on YouTube and to suggest it to more people. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. Hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new review video. And for now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.